Jingle bell,
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly, and this is another video in our 12 days of Christmas challenge series that I have been trying to do here on my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys this super colorful, vibrant look using the one and only Colored Rain Vivid Pigments palette. This was my first time touching any of these shades, playing around with them, and I must say I absolutely love the way that this look came out. These shadows, just look at this. I think this is actually one of the best looks I've ever created on my channel. So I just, want to go ahead and show you guys how I got this look. Let me stop rambling on because I do that a lot, so you guys can just get the tea, get the scoop on this look. But before all of that happens, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please take this time to do so. You know you want to. I'm slaying this Christmas season, so just join us while you can. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump right into this tutorial, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. guys, so this is the final completed look. I am absolutely loving the way everything, and I literally mean everything, looks. At first, I definitely had some doubts about where this look was going, but I think it's like that overall rule in makeup where, like, you know, it's gonna look worse before it looks better. And I don't know about y'all, but I think like my eyes look bomb, my face looks bomb, like everything looks bomb. And I hope that this was a bomb video for you guys to watch and see how I completed this entire look. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like and a comment down below, as well as share this video with your friends. Share it on Twitter, Instagram, wherever you can, just to kind of show my page some love. And speaking of Instagram and Twitter, don't forget to follow me on those platforms as well, because I do post a lot on those, and I just want you guys to, you know, join in, see what I'm up to. You get the deal? So yeah, that's it for this video. Have a happy holiday, and I'll see you guys in my next one.